Hello everybody, it is time to clean the refrigerator condenser coils for the summer of 2023. Be the first time doing this 2022 GE refrigerator. So I'll pull it out from the wall and see what I need to do. Not as easy to slide out as the 87 was. We'll get it. So immediately what I noticed is it's got a nice puddle of water underneath it. So I'll have to investigate that. Go ahead and unplug it. It's actually quite wet under there, which I'm not real happy to see that. So this connector right here is leaking ever so slightly, so I will tighten that up and see how it got in the wood there a little bit. Don't know how long that's been doing that, but I'm certainly not happy about that at all. Looks like this is going to be fairly straightforward. I have to admit, I do like that it has a metal back cover on it, as opposed to the cardboard ones of the past, but the screws are different sizes, so I don't like that. I gotta go get a 1/4 inch, I believe. And you see, case in point, why it's a good idea to periodically pull the fridge out and just check it out, because see, I found that water leak. It wasn't bad enough to show itself, but then I had to move the fridge to get it where I could see it. Didn't know anything about it. So what I'll have to do is stick a fan back there and let that dry out. I sprayed it with bleach already, so in hopes we don't have mold start. Yes, that's a 1/4 inch. Yeah, that is a gripe when they don't use the same size screws across the board. There's 2 1/4 inch screws. That one's got a little nylon washer. Well, let's have a look at the old 2022 GE refrigerator. Looks about as cheap as I expected it to. Look at that tiny condenser coil. Well, I'll get the air gun and blast it out. Where that dust is going, I don't know. But hopefully it's going out. Now I'll just take a damp cloth and wipe around where I can get to. It's got an Embargo compressor in it. Looks to be pretty basic, which is fine with me. Looked like that had been leaking for quite some time. It's got a nice little mineral deposits on the tile there. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. Yeah, it looks kind of like there's a crack in the tile. That's just some mineral deposits. Got my flashlight, give it a final inspection. That looks pretty clean. And again, I don't know where the dust went. And where this rusty spot is coming from here, I don't know. Not happy about that. But go ahead and put the back cover back on. I think that one's done. That went pretty well. Well, I got a fan behind the fridge drying it out. Make sure that's nice and dry back there before I push that all the way back in. So we'll turn our attention to the good old 82 GE side-by-side refrigerator right here. This one's up next. Alright, let's get started on this 82 GE side-by-side. I think this one has all the same kind of screws, with the ones that are left, that is. Looks like it might have 3, which is good enough. and give it the inspection. There's the third screw now. Come to the front. Take the grill off. I like to take this tray out. Give it a cleaning. It's not real dirty today, so that's good. That wasn't too bad. The old fridge wasn't too terribly dirty. I will have a special treat on this one. You'll see that in just a little while. And pop this back on. Just like it always has, just pops right on with no trouble. Get the back put on, what's left of it. Done. It's the next morning. I had that fan back there all night, getting the wet tile dried up. And hopefully that will be that. I'm confident that what's in, if it got behind the wall a little bit, the weep holes, it'll dry out through that on the brick line there on the foundation. But I have a special presentation here today with the 82 GE. Since I've got these new microphones, I'm going to take one microphone and clip it on the cord of the refrigerator down by the compressor area and get a close-up of the compressor startup sound. There it goes. Hopefully that picked the sound up pretty well of that turning on. Once again, this has been the annual spring cleaning of the condenser coils of both GE refrigerators. Thank you for watching.